And Twene Jonas, as one tears here. Okay, over the weekends, and a program be echoes or Ghana Hanoma. As a business mogul, Ibrahim Mahama, or one Casaneba, and organize that program, and to the Supercar Spectacle. Just say cars, Porsche cars. Cars, you ought to do where you be. Your display card be ever hodamo. Sika the power, where I didn't be Sika the power. Now that program, not effect, it was such a nice program. I don't know, Twene Jonas on tier, they say, Mahama, Atam Ghana Sika Bunia, and I say, Bunia, they are one about the deeds of Buno Ghana Hannibal. Twene, I beg an Ajra Mahama, and Ibrahim Mahama. I want to not to the Wadri Amame. Ever comment session. I have Penyah block media. That's what I say any day. Over like if video, not that my boss subscribe button, number click notification and latest update. Time back to the Wadri and Amame. Ever comment session. Best also about so no shape of any be ashe. Over the weekends, and a program change echoes our Ghana Hannibal. I see a 2 Supercar Spectacle, a business mogul and one of the billionaires of this land, Ibrahim Mahama. What I say, Neba, on one church of Neba, and organize this particular program. On the French, I say, oh, mobile podcast too. Oh, you have a podcast display, podcast. You have a pound to my El Ghana Hannibal. Hey, voilà. Kazi people that day, and your Kazi get what? Me better I never knew home. Eje izo. Hey, as everybody zikedo, kala zikedo.
Penyah GH. Penyah GH.
You are luxury vehicles as well. We have a Rolls Royce pulling up. We have a beautiful bike budget to pull up. Guys,
You get there. And you know, I was watching some of the program. On the time going, what could I be? Yeah, we say, oh, yeah, don't know about house. Oh, I came in my Rolls Royce. I say, hey.
I came in my Rolls Royce.
Name is fun, and I love watching cars.
Yeah, so how did you come here?
Yeah, I came in my Mercedes-Benz AMG G3 Turbo.
Which of the cars here that you
Oh,
consider?
it's the GTR Nissan.
You like the GTR?
Yeah, the GTR Nissan. I like how the engine sounds like.
So how did you come here?
I came in my Rolls Royce.
That is car, Uber.
I came in my Rolls Royce.
Okay, we saw.
My Rolls Royce.
Alright, so tell us more about Rolls Royce.
I have two. One is a Cullinan, one is a Ghost. One is 25, the other one is 16, and then it's green, and the other one is like brownish. Yeah.
Those cars for? Is it for your dad, your mom, or?
It's for my grandfather.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Serious.
Oh, wow. So it means you've seen it all.
Yeah, I've seen it all.
This car here is your favorite.
The Lambo.
Tell me in a sentence. Yeah?
The Lambo is probably my favorite because, like, out of all of them, looks the most expensive, and it revs the most.
I came you. Hey, cheers, Abraham, do party. I said, very greatly. Oh, no, guy, I came in my Rolls Royce. And oh, did I never? Hey, cheers, no program, no. Hey, you're nice. I'm a business mogul. Or no, because I charm and I got a good na AP one is na. Baby, I cost one our program. In fact, na FA.
20 years, and the G63 powered by Philip Line and Travels. Guys, we are acting. I told you, Supercar Spectacle want to give you special edition vehicles. Guys, let's create space. Let's open up the space so the vehicles can pull in properly. Big shout out to the Despite Automobile Museum and the Despite Media Group for giving us their wonderful vehicles, guys.
Penyah GH.
Supercar Spectacle launch.
So
1st
like,
November.
yeah. So what are you telling Ghanaians?
Just announcing. You know what? Wait, let me go and do something for you.
No problem.
We have Johnny with the security team. We have PK with everybody is active. At the beginning, Ambassador SB. Can I get all the event bloggers around the Bloomberg currently for a quick briefing?
Penyah GH.
We sent Supercar Spectacle, and we have a Rolls Royce schooling out in the building. Guys, we're active. We're outside and we're active. We have the Audi RSQ3.
Any man or kind?
Happen Accra Polo Club on a program no that's in fact na bibia kwaso bibia ekoso one. Now right after the program no and a video got to the almighty Twene Jonas got through nanim and we don't say debut this is the second time one Mahama family no omuma bibia ke say adekodia program na omunya Ghana hadom no sika ekowuram ba ko Sharaf Mahama the boxing program be organizing Ghana Hanamo. All the Antonio show me na buy no. And no Ghana for you da hura. E man kwa twene be kana dwo ho na o fe no so there be. So Supercar Spectacle we ni de. Mahama. And na time Ghana sika. Edam because for sure what did guy kura de san ko fa mining. Ama Ibrahim Mahama on na mining. E tiri say. Mahama no onua. E de Ghana sika. E gura to pre. Omo de ya ba gura ba damase. No, Anna Twene, Abeke Canadian, actually Ibrahim Mahama. Abeke was Mahama.
because Ghana be catch them. It's here. You see, I'm no Casay, almost frame giddy said, John Mahama, and Nia Kwasi and Penyah and Ibrahim Mahama, Buano. I will we are black boat, I will send soon. In Zona, I was saying, some cover mines, Quasia, what about my Japadios, Maberia? Was he says he can't they are coaching in Chimfam car, the Abigu, send a marketing kitty, $1 million car, not your Nessican teacher for, your Nessican pianist. I go gold board cover by Sammy Jemfisi says, can you know, Mahama Quasia is what $8 billion, they could them, your Nessican pianist, your Nessican pia, what are doctors? I am wine and never catch them a Ghana for now. Almost Ibrahim Mahama Quasia and Penyah. I come some coffee cannot call a casa big. I'm an body show off. Look at this nonsense. Obi a unia man Penyah. Oh, say some cover black vote and so. Now when you see car, say what the other, what the bois community now will say o munsu no ye galamsey. The beauty a koto cast now will display. Ain't always once Obi Krasi, yes, it's true. He's displaying the cast. Intimate Ghana will be beyond catch them. Be real basic beyond frame catch them. And Ibrahim Mahama would teach Bentwa. Tendi Kwasi and Penyah. Go Jimmy. Abua nchewi wate. Enti yesika and I would hear the car show. A brand nice if what you are in yes can piomuka. Unu ni John Mahama and Kwasi afomienu. Messi Ibrahim Mahama muko position now be claim ownership of black voter. Sankofa mines or Maya Japadi amebo pamo bi ekoku. I don't know, Jema. I say it's very sad. Make na say very sad. John Mahama Kwasi and Penyah kufu with Jimmy say now no brabe yo man ya. Obedru ya. O say Mati gold board nenye ska fa kotuanes for fa teacher for. O say masise ska nyina kogumi dam na untimi teacher for 10 months. Untimintia soja untimintia police untimintia obia na unua Kwasi and Penyah Ibrahim Mahama Jimmy for no no asise sika ni nyina de akoto cast the show off on Jimmy we anyway na we me mo bi call Ibrahim Mahama sika ku na 1/4 we me mo bi one sika ku na 1/4 Jimmy we anyway aden na mpanifo enya ma Jimmy sa ntafo mwa munnuanum gu bridge ase etu osika mfa nkoto ka e me show off abua unnuan no so kaya yo no kan fa no koto adwumam anase kobi adwuma ma no so nkoye no ntafo nso nya animonyam na the whole Ghana munkoa na mo tribe mu hu nya akono munkoa no ma Jimmy ntafo mwa mu bebreba mu gu parliament muntime mwa mu kromfo ntafo Kwasi afo John Mahama na ntwie John Mahama Jimmy fo Ibrahim Mahama Kwasi and Penyah wa wia yesika na fa ko bia dwuma fa si factory ma ukrom bole bamboy fo aboe ntafo mwa odi amesi ma we nya first and last ma wia I Ghana Boxer Limited ama Ibrahim Mahama ma we nya first and last ma wia sankofa within 1 year this year and one no musa we have from Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama be wu mi am ba declare say me ku omo why be ma kasa na me mo bi me kun so kan ho apoa aden bibi ni Jimmy sa America ni nya 8 billion na nki ye be cha ma obi a wa se me bo be bodua ye friend stimulation check ye be cha ma obi anya bi aden na ma Jimmy sa o $8 billion from gold board and the whole na untimi teacher for $8 billion now untimi started 24-hour economy kwasia the enti amema eto abamam 24-hour economy more stupid people are they na bibini Jimmy sa obviously will you come to Ghana again kwasia me ba Ghana John Mahama Jimmy for no wan na abua Kevin Taylor no born e pass e o medada nkufo so be deport me no or they may call America court and how many months in 24 hours my fire na how many about 2 million hours. What do you John Mahama me so pa onyimi on say sika ni na to cars memo bi atwaja to car o Jimmy a memo bi awoni nua Ibrahim Mahama sika ku no ade ani Jimmy no kwase aya to aba mam say mumfa sika no man sika me car kwan amomma bi adwuma mabunu mummra na mumma den mummra me solve my problem ade ani Jimmy oba ni tisa box iron oba na nim se kaka motobi o si say sika man so mfa kwa boxing meanwhile nurse fo a esevu nipa nkwa yentiom ka moa nurse fo sika 20 million 30 million yentiom ka na masise sika ni na de to cars ade ma Jimmy car baako cars are boys in this yabesi wanya nkra ka o Lamborghini Ferrari McLaren J-Wagon chesenya car baako buo ebetimi atua Ghana I teacher for any police for car for the next 50 years atain car baako pe buo and now o kwasia o de sikani na to cars na nurse for gu o twemfrema na teacher for guo atiem abed abc omo tiem sa ni entuom ka de magimi ntafo mwa na munuanom sa gu bridge ase kwasi asantini me na so kaya yo amu wisi magimi mu gu mu tribe na nimase from abambabe so ebesi wo John Mahama jimi fuwe so de muni ma ese yenses kan tofie matres bu ache ne mensba omo ani ansansani dalimo ahyawo mbekum ti se de omakulumba no no ma fa bibia ama jibibia free lordin ansem ti se de odobroni ani na busuanfo akulumba omo beji bibia free akosi asewa ni dadi lumba nua akosi afrempoma ansem no omo to abusuapanyi omo wi omeku abusuapanyi so guso me information me say I na make catch us less than 2 hours ago and no mo frame me 12 hours ago no mo frame say Ibrahim Mahama kwasia no asesa yesika na ko twika sa begu ai baby ye show off me pese me board neighborhood ni din asesa ne nkwasia ntafo ma no adi yesika na toto Lamborghini Ferrari ai Bentley J-Wagon na kwasia sa no na ni nua ye mampanyi ntimi ntua teacher foka ni nua ye mampanyi ntimi ntua nurse foka onya scan one ye Ghana bauxite kan onu awia ni nyina because Ghana bauxite no ono John Mahama si ma wia ma Ibrahim Mahama o man japade nyina o na wasa ko wia o man gold mines sankofa na ye discover Ghana o man ni bedidi wo ho no sankofa mines a etiminya gold nkwa over $100 billion Ibrahim Mahama say ono nkwa ne dia ono two gold no enti wa two gold no de atoto cars na ka akwanye tutu na accident ku Ghana ni na ne maame ne papa ne nabusuanfo ayeden abo mpaye say if I say ne nana awmako age o man asi wo ye nyina ne a benefit na mo ntafo mwa mo aba mu wiya bibia ntafo nkwasiafo mu wiya bibia enti mono ade achi na mama obi abekumu a hwan betima ka bia mama saman tiemi ye John Mahama ade achi na mama obi abekumu a because ye chekronfo kantamanto ebunu kuno ye chekronfo ewo asokore mampon ye bunu kuno ye chekronfo okejeti a ye bunu kuno enti se wo ya kronfo a uwie nipa no na nko aboa Ghana ni sankofa man sisi kai bai umfa nkototo cars ma no before se on to cars ma no wasa nurse fo ni nyina lie obi a meje ne share Omeya japade watua teacher for watua nurse for afa 24-hour economy ma bia nwuma boys ni nyina nya adwuma ye obi anya adwuma ye kura omfa phone frem Twene Jonas be say Ibrahim Mahama kwasia no e de esika na kotweka sa begu awu ye nya nnan na amse ode munhwe bi na munkofie ehon no kura me ma go ahead anka boys ni bi betimi ato obani tu aku no because ye omo ya na amse munya no ko akura no ye innocent onimhwe ne sikwasia mpanyi na ekromfo no wiaye so almost my shisha boys be body guys for Jimmy Fobi ni now and I'm on the cars here drifting ho kwa me despite the money and the buy and the papa bob brand on mu show off ba mu die mu ya kronfo MPP was so hina mutimi ko show cars MPP tena so 8 years hina mkotimi sa mu ma mu kwasi ama no ne na mo MPP te so John Mahama ne bana ni tisia bosom no ne na mo emfa no timi here boxing adan na mo Jimmy say NDC for mu ni twasere mako Jimmy say tina me ka se momra Jimmy say mu Jimmy a mantimi atuma ama ne fo ade be chi no da krom be da so ni ma obi akoku no obi antimi kasa o oni ni nua Ibrahim Mahama no me ka no krache this time ye Jimmy abajimi mre ya tra me ka no krache no o man kwasiafo ntafo mwa na mo no ya to abama mo ya pema sema enche se nipa Jimmy o ntafo nkwasiafo ya to abama mo enche se nipa Jimmy ye to abama mo se mu nuanom ntafo na kufu ado asisi omo oni ba omie Jimmy fo na asisi omo ache entima ban mu nuanom omo tike yo omo so aka yo kumase omo so aka yo enkran no omo ye equally human being like Bunoni and omo ye equally human being like Asantini and omo ye equally human being like Akuapimni aden na mu triti mu nuanom se mo na mu ska na mu diska ne ye show off Omai sika wa banank wa bo kromfo enti wa ban ni mfiri so no na tani so wasabi mini anum tafwe me mabusianfo half yen tafwo omo bressa because ompanifo gu parliament nyina ya moa omo ne moa bia de boa mo enti da bia tani opebibia ya age so Africa bankran Africa kokumase because opportunity bia ni northern region ho kakaka ni nyina o na ntafwo moa mensi yanto abama mo because antefo no esisi mo yanto abama mo na maba moa kas na mo disika ne kototo ntafwo moa kas na mo disika ne kototo samu ya moa mekumo mekano krakye Ibrahim Mahama no aboa kwasi ampanyini ede utimi ko yi excavator 2000 10,000 10,000 airport awde ko se nsuo kwa o say nsuo mayedi entina maja o se ne namo but still o say nsuo no minim so be wunyansa ede sikana beboa oman no enti sami yamfi maninya o club yo yamie gold board say eye John Mahama family board eye Ghana gold board enti say muji gold board sika na mudi mujimi betna say mudi sika ne comedy is ekopatan to kwabio a memo obi abekum sami jamfi me kan okra chew ti omo ba na omo se ombeji sika na comedy is ta catch om say Ghana money enye Middle East for money enti say Palestine for ne Gaza for anya omo ntoko a enye yasem dwoma na jimi no ne okujeta abra kwa no omo ye mwa na Ghana ni di no omo se omesoa Ghana for sika de akoma foreigners mwa na kachiro omo se Twene Jonas se me yesa obeba be kumi afiri yase enti sika no ye de bekọ akosi kaya yofo no woni acha ma obi so mfa nko start bibi sensu okra na obeji akoton se pike no obeji akoton a yesense ye dis kan mema Palestine ba Gaza ni aboa ono oni sika ode be ko anko ni Israel de ase ani oni sika ode be ko ko ni America de ase ani wo na wajimi a odi sika ko Middle East so na John Mahama immigrant na wo gi omo no jai obi anto aba man se fa yesika kohwe America kwasia bi a wafa nsuo so aba America Trump deport no o ye Congo ni amane nko ni krom Congo enye Ghana fo asem Ghana ni ye deport na wo gi na 100% correct jeno ba se wo kwaji Tanzania ni eji Nigeria ni eji foreigners mwadi ombegu odi esika to aduane ma omudi ni jajimi no this time ni Penyah brio NDC for ma jime dodo munya mwa entertainment mu ntimi nka se yentua nurse fo ka yentua teacher fo ka na ma sa de jimi abetana se ye wo 8 billion dollars.
The why mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.